High seas dumping. Cruising has become a very popular vacation. More than 8 million passengers take an ocean voyage each year, cruising many areas of the world's ocean in search of pristine beaches, clear tropical waters. The Caribbean Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the coast of Alaska are among the most popular destinations. While the coasts of Europe and Asia are also growing in popularity, while tourists and joint ships that carry them are usually welcome for the revenues that they bring, unfortunately, the ships also bring something much less desirable, which is called pollution. A modern cruise ship carries an average of 2,000 passengers and 1,000 crew members. This many people, of course, generate a lot of waste. On a typical day, a ship will produce 7 tons of solid garbage, which is incinerated and then dumped. 15 gallons of highly toxic chemicals waste, 30,000 of gallons of sewage, 7,000 gallons of bilge water containing oil, and 225,000 gallons of grey water from sinks and laundries. 225,000 gallons of grey water, and then cruise ships also pick up ballast water wherever it is needed and then discharge it later, releasing animals and pollutions from one part of the world to the other part of the world. We see that this problem is multiplied by more than 167 ships worldwide, cruising 50 weeks per year, and the scope of environmental damage is staggering. Environmental groups see the top pollution-related problems as death of the marine life. The marine life is on stake, in fact, including extinction. Yes, they also go extinct. Foreign animals bring parasites and diseases, and in some cases replace relative native species entirely. Bacteria that are harmless to human beings can kill coral that provide food and habitat for many species. Oil and toxic chemicals are deadly to wildlife even in minute quantities. Turtles swallow plastic bags thinking they are jellyfish and starve, while seals and birds become entangled in plastic rings that hold beverages cans and drown. Other problems include the habitat destruction or disease that affects U.S. industries, costing $137 billion each year. For example, cholera picked up in ships' ballast water off the coast of Peru caused a devastating loss to fish and shrimp harvesters in the Gulf of Mexico in 1990s, when infected catches had to be destroyed. Heavy metal poisoning of fish is rising, and the concern is on the rise that the poisons are moving up the food chain from microscopic animals to fish, and ultimately they do spread to the humans as well. Phosphorus found in detergents causes an overgrowth of algae, which then consumes all the available oxygen in the water, making it incapable of supporting any flora or fauna on the bed of the sea. One such dead zone occurs each summer in the Gulf of Mexico at the mouth of Mississippi River. At the mouth of Mississippi River. I beg your pardon, please. At the mouth of Mississippi River. The area caught the pollution and warm water is about the size of Massachusetts, 8,000 square miles of lifelessness. Lack of regulation is the biggest obstacle to solving the problem. By international law, countries may regulate oceans for 3 miles off their shores International treaties provide some additional regulations.